Welcome back. We're going to look at how we order textbooks for both our online and in-class programs. We have three main suppliers. First, we're going to take a look at SOFAD. So in a search bar, you can just type in SOFAD, S-O-F-A-D. We're going to look for the online materials. It may be in French. Once we're on the SOFAD page, we can switch the language to English. And then we're going to look at the catalog, vocational training, in either secretarial or accounting program. We want to make sure any secretarial program is 5857, and for accounting it's 5731. We can find the textbook we'd like to use or purchase. Choose whether we want the scored activity or the printed summary. Usually it's going to be the online course and printed summary. Add it to our cart, and then we can proceed to checkout. You'll have to create an account to make sure you can purchase from SOFAD. Next, we're going to look at CEMEQ, C-E-M-E-Q. Again, we can just start with Google or a link in an email or on Moodle. The CEMEQ page doesn't seem to have the English translation, so if you click the three dots in Chrome, the waffle bar, translate, and then choose English, you can convert the page to English. Next, we're going to click Training Products and Tools. Here we have to make sure we choose the English tab. Again, check for the program code, so it should be 5731 for accounting or 5857 for secretarial. I apologize, I clicked on accounting in CEMEQ, or CEMEQ we use mostly in the secretarial program, so we would not be purchasing this book in accounting. It took me a minute to realize this, I apologize. Your textbook list is going to be on Moodle. We'll have emailed it to you. Worst case, ask. There's always lots of ways to find out what textbooks you need to order. So once we click Secretarial Studies, 5857, you'll see a list of textbooks. Whichever one you need for your upcoming modules, you can add it to your cart and then check out. Again, for CEMEQ, you'll need to create an account. If the page isn't translated, feel free to translate it. And as they say here, make sure the address, the shipping address, matches the address on your credit card. If for some reason you don't have a credit card or having trouble buying books, you can speak with us and we can either order them through the school or find another way to help you out. Last but not least, we'll use Logitell.com, Logitell.com. Both programs will use some of these books. Once you're on the website, you click Textbooks in the top left corner. Program, so secretarial or accounting. In Logitell, make sure you're looking at the version. So sometimes it's with Microsoft 365, sometimes it's with 2019. Make sure you're buying the correct version that's listed on the textbook list. Then you can choose whether you want digital or paper copy, add to your cart, check out, and again, you're going to be prompted to create an account. If you're having any issues, just let us know and we'll see how we can help you out.